Thank you very much, and a special thanks to the sponsors as well. I think before I get started on the presentation, it might be good to tell the attendees a little bit about the Center for Environmental Innovation in Roofing. The Center is a relatively young organization, about 1.5 years old now. We're a Washington-based nonprofit organization. We have our primary mission is to serve as a focal point and an advocate for the roofing industry in areas relating to energy and environment. And our membership uniquely consists of a broad brush of the roofing industry, including both major manufacturers and major roofing contractors throughout the country, as well as some investment groups and so forth who are interested in advancing the quality and performance of roofing systems in this country. And I'm also happy to say that the 3 sponsors of today's presentation are also members of the Center for Environmental Innovation in Roofing. With that, I would just like to really sort of pose a question as to why it's important to take a look at sustainable roof retrofits. One of the, I think the primary message that the Center has been giving, especially in Washington, D.C., to policymakers and people interested in doing something about energy efficiency and environmental impact. Roofs are so important because, first, there are few major building systems that offer as many energy and environmental benefits as roofs do. And secondly, there are few major building systems that are installed as frequently as roofs. In terms of benefits, sustainable roofs can increase energy efficiency, reduce global warming, provide cleaner air and water, reduce the amount of material waste in buildings, and probably one of the most important is extending the building life cycle, because many times the life cycle of an entire building many times rests on the serviceability and the dependability of a roofing system to minimize moisture infiltration and damage that in the long term can have a very bad effect on service life of buildings. We can also use roofs as a platform